Hey guys, welcome back to Karan's review. Launchomatic shows you how to launch products on Warrior Plus. This is how I made over $500k in just over 2 years. Life will pass you by if you don't try something new. Are you fed up? The struggle is real. It can be frustrating trying to make money online. It seems the cards are stacked against you. You try and try and nothing happens. Others are doing it. Gurus are doing it, but you are getting nowhere fast. This is nuts. Before we go into video guys, I have a special bonus for you. If you want to get a special bonus, just get this product through my link which is in the description and send me the screenshot that you have purchased through my link to my Instagram so that I will reply and give you a special bonus guys. So let's continue. Failure after failure is depressing. The sky in the pie, riches are just out of reach and things brings you down. Is each day like this? You would like to succeed at making money but it's not working out. Why is not working? You did everything the guru said to do. Maybe this is too much to do. Getting down from it at all. Exhausted. Want to throw in the towel. Have you been working at this too hard for too long? Just want to give up and go back to your boring 9 to 5 life. Anything to get away from the exhaustion of trying to build an online business. Does it really have to be so hard? I struggled for years trying to figure out the make money online thing. I tried everything. YouTube review videos, Kindle publishing, CPA and everything. I made pocket change, not much else. Bills were pulling me up. My family was in need of things. I was at my wits' end. I was going to throw in the towel and just stick to my 9 to 5 job like a good little worker bee. And yet something seemed out there for me to succeed at. I just had to keep trying. And then I figured it out. I didn't have to try all the methods the affiliate marketing gods and gurus were telling me to do. Instead, I looked at what product vendors were doing. I was blown away. I saw that the money to be made realizing products left affiliate marketing in the dust. Now, don't get me wrong. There is nothing wrong with affiliate marketing. Maybe that is working out for you. I do make money marketing products from the vendors. However, the serious money is in launching products. Is that simple? Introducing Launchomatic is the only training you will ever need to launch a product on Warrior Plus. Over 3 hours of video training, our show case study, review of a successful launch, behind the scenes of my Warrior Plus account, your eyes will be popping. This is the early bird list. Click here to join. So guys, I will leave a link in the description guys. So if you want to get this product, just get this product through my link so that you will get early bird offer. And as well as if you want to get extra bonus guys, just get this product through my link and send me the screenshot to my Instagram so that you will get extra bonus guys. So this is all for now guys. So I will make another video that is part 3 of Launchomatic guys. So if you want to watch that video too, so please stick with my video guys. So hit the like button and please do a subscribe and leave a comment guys. So have a good day. Bye.